Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023. The Act is yet to be enforced. DPD rules have been released for public consultation in 2025. Objective: to regulate the processing of digital personal data, balancing the right of individuals to protect their data and the need to process such data for lawful purposes. Important sections: Chapter 1 Preliminary, Section 2 Definitions, Clause A Appellate Tribunal, Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal under the TAI Act 1997 will hear appeals from the Data Protection Board. G. Consent Manager, a registered intermediary allowing data principals to give, manage, and withdraw consent. I. Data Fiduciary, the entity that determines purpose and means of processing data. J. Data Principal, the individual whose data is processed. A. Data processor processes personal data on behalf of a data fiduciary. L. Data Protection Officer, appointed by a significant data fiduciary. L. Personal data breach, unauthorized processing, disclosure, or loss compromising confidentiality, integrity, availability. Yes, processing. Any operation on personal data includes collection, storage, use, sharing, erasure, etc. As significant data fiduciary, as notified by central government based on volume, sensitivity, or risk. Section 3 Act applies to processing of digital personal data within India, collected in digital form or later digitized, and outside India if offering goods or services to individuals in India. Does not apply to personal use of data or publicly available data made public by the data principal or by any person legally required. Chapter 2 Obligations of Data Fiduciary, Section 4 Lawful processing of personal data with consent or for legitimate uses specified under the Act. Section 5 Notice must precede data collection and clearly state purpose and rights of the data principal, and how to file a complaint with the Data Protection Board. Section 6 Consent must be free, informed, specific, and unambiguous, can be withdrawn. Section 7 lists certain legitimate uses where consent isn't required, for example, legal obligations, medical emergencies, state functions, or employment-related purposes. Section 8 Fiduciaries must ensure accuracy, completeness and consistency, and reasonable security safeguards, report breaches to the board and affected users.